Hey everyone, I am Domnic Dsouza. I'm a digital artist based out of Bangalore, India, and I love capturing moods, stories, and emotions through my art and helping other artists do the same. Now, I've always loved looking through art books. Initially, it was just for the visuals, but as I got more into my journey as an artist, it was to get a behind the scenes look into the mind of the artist I was looking up to, their backstories, their processes, whatever it is that they did, their techniques, everything that would allow them to create such amazing masterpieces. To me, it was like an artist hall of fame to have your own published art book, and I always looked up to people like Guez, Sam Does Arts, Ate Galen, Pascal Campion, Lois, that's just a few off the top of my head, and many, many more. And it's amazing to see what they've done. And I've got some equally amazing news, which I'm super excited to tell you guys, that I've partnered with 3D Total Publishing to bring the art of Domnic Dsouza out into the world. And it's all thanks to you guys, with all your love and support over the past few years on social media, my Instagram, my YouTube, everything. And it's been such a milestone moment for me that I've been dreaming about for a long time. Now, inside this book, you learn all about my artistic journey from my first childhood doodles to how I landed a role at Disney before I even finished my formal studies. You'll also discover multiple galleries showcasing all my favorite works to date, as well as an in-depth tutorial that covers all my digital tips and tricks. I also cover important topics such as inspiration and ideation, growing a following, and one of my most favorite things to talk about, connecting with the artist community. Some of the pieces in here went viral, while others were seen by exactly 17 people, friends and family. Either way, they're all a part of my journey, and I've poured way too much coffee and soul into them to just let them die in a hard drive. I wanted this book to be the kind of thing I wish I had when I was younger. Not just pretty pictures, but something real. Something that says, hey, it's okay if you're figuring it out as you go. Me too. And throughout this campaign, you're going to have the opportunity to buy extra exclusive gifts that you won't be able to get anywhere else. These include a digital brush bag created by me specifically for this art book, a bespoke sketchbook, an A4 giclée print, and 50 limited print run A2 prints of an artwork I have not put out on social media yet until now. Apart from this, there's also going to be a variety of bonuses that get unlocked at different stretch goals, where once we reach that amount, everyone who has backed the book gets one of those things. And once again, I just wanted to give you guys a big thanks, because I could not have done this without you guys, without your love, without your support, without everything that you guys have been backing me up from day one. And I thank you guys so much, because you guys are amazing. And thank you guys. It's a big dream that's come true for me. And I'm super excited for this launch. So let's see where it goes. And I will see you guys in the next video.